Scrapbooking with kids is a fun activity that helps you not only have a great time, but also save memories in a beautiful and unique way. It's especially exciting to use your own photos like for a travel journal, keeps your pictures in a special and creative style. Kids draw their backgrounds and start selecting other papers they might want to use. We bought scrapbook kits that have various patterns and shapes. Next, the kids chose their photos, and the most exciting part began, sticking the photos and decorating the pages. These are what we've made. Tell us in the comments which idea you like the most. Thank you for watching.